If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by going to System Settings, selecting Internet, and testing the connection. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. Step 4. Verify Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Check if your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active. Go to the Nintendo eShop, select your user profile, and confirm your subscription status. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the Cloud Save error on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Nintendo's customer service.